Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the color theme on Telegram. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So first open the Telegram app. After that click on the three lines at the top of the screen. After that click on the settings. And in the settings section, here is the chat settings. You have to click on that and you can see the color theme option, and here you have several options: the classic, the day, the dark, night, arctic, indigo. Yeah, and here you have the color palette as well, so you can select any color. And yeah, you can customize your theme as you wish. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.